Clove, the aromatic spice derived from the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, has been valued for centuries not only for its distinct flavor but also for its numerous health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the top 20 benefits of cloves. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Clove contains eugenol, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis. 2. Dental health. Clove oil has been traditionally used in dentistry due to its analgesic and antimicrobial properties. It can provide relief from toothaches and promote oral health by fighting bacteria. 3. Digestive health. Cloves have been used to aid digestion for centuries. They can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promote healthy gut function, and relieve digestive discomfort. 4. Respiratory health. The essential oil of cloves has expectorant properties, making it beneficial for respiratory health. It can help alleviate coughs, congestion, and promote clearer breathing. 5. Antimicrobial properties. Cloves possess potent antimicrobial properties that can help fight against various bacteria, viruses, and fungi. They can be used topically or internally to support the body's immune system. 6. Pain relief. Clove oil has analgesic properties, making it effective in relieving pain. It can be used topically to reduce headaches, muscle aches, and joint pain. 7. Blood circulation. Cloves can help improve blood circulation by stimulating the production of red blood cells and reducing the risk of blood clot formation. This promotes overall cardiovascular health. 8. Diabetes management. Studies suggest that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin function. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using cloves as a complementary approach for diabetes management. 9. Antioxidant properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This can contribute to overall cellular health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 10. Bone health. Cloves contain essential minerals like manganese and calcium, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption of cloves can support bone density and prevent osteoporosis. 11. Immune system support. The antimicrobial and antioxidant properties of cloves can help strengthen the immune system. They may aid in fighting off infections and supporting overall immune function. 12. Skin health. Cloves have been used in skincare for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. They may help soothe skin conditions, reduce acne, and promote a healthy complexion. 13. Cloves may assist in weight management due to their potential to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. However, a balanced diet and regular exercise remain key factors in maintaining a healthy weight. 14. Respiratory health. The expectorant properties of cloves can help relieve respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. They can help reduce inflammation in the airways and ease breathing. 15. Liver health. Studies suggest that cloves may have a protective effect on the liver, helping to support its detoxification processes and promote liver health. 16. Cognitive function. Certain compounds in cloves have been associated with cognitive benefits, including improved memory and focus. Cloves may also have neuroprotective properties, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 17. Menstrual health. Cloves have been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual pain and regulate menstrual cycles. They may help reduce cramps and discomfort associated with menstruation. 18. Eye health. Cloves contain antioxidants and vitamins that are beneficial for eye health. They may help protect against age-related macular degeneration and improve overall vision. 19. Anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that cloves possess certain compounds that may have anti-cancer effects, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. However, further studies are needed to understand their full potential in cancer prevention and treatment. 20. Stress relief. The aroma of cloves is known for its calming and stress-relieving properties. Inhaling the scent of cloves or using clove oil in aromatherapy may help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. From its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties to its impact on dental health, digestion, and beyond, cloves offer a wide range of benefits for our overall well-being. Incorporating cloves into your diet and healthcare routine may enhance your health naturally. Disclaimer: it's important to note that while cloves offer potential benefits, individual results may vary, and it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or treatment plan.